This is coming out and going around to the left side of the bend. There's the Union Hall in the distance. There is really a really huge rock that is under the water. That down there in the distance is Olympia Avenue, where the water is blocked off. Water level rose to this high. What you see is the debris. It's beginning to rain again. And I need to go a little bit further.